Action. He is kneading flour. Maybe he's making a bread. That's what it means to knead. Hello to you again, friends. Today I'm going to show you 5 more verbs people use when they cook. And if you would like to keep learning more English in a way that is fun, please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week. And now let's look at the first verb. People do that when they cook. Season. Let us see the action. What is he doing? He is seasoning the fish. When we are seasoning, we are adding flavor, like the salt and the garlic and the pepper, things like that. Now, let's look at cooking verb number 2. Peel. Peel. When we are peeling something, we are removing the outer layer, like taking the skin off an orange or an apple. Let's see the action. What is she doing? She is peeling the apple. Peel. That's what it means to peel. And now for cooking verb number 3. Grate. To grate. We grate things to make them smaller by rubbing them on something called a grater. Let's see the action. She is grating something. So that's how we grate. Maybe it's your cheese or your coconuts. Grate. Cooking verb number 4. To knead. Knead. Let's look at someone kneading flour. Action. He is kneading flour. Maybe he's making a bread. That's what it means to knead. Cooking verb number 5. Stir. We stir things by moving them, mixing them, usually in a circular motion. Now we're going to look at a girl. She is going to stir her tea or her coffee. Let's look at her do that. Now, she is stirring her tea. And here is someone stirring the coffee. That's what it means to stir. Please subscribe and join me for more videos. That was 5 cooking verbs for you. Bye-bye.